we ordered some fabric on Amazon. So it just came in. I was opening it up and I said, you know what? I'm going to open it up in front of you guys. I started to open it up. Alright. So Amazon, you could buy fabric that's non-woven, geotextile fabric. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this roll of fabric up against ours, and I'll show you in this next clip what we're up to. Stay tuned. Okay, we went ahead and we purchased 2 non-woven geotextile fabrics, and we purchased them through Amazon. So we want to test them and put them up against ours. We're going to be doing a lot of really cool stuff. I opened it up and right away it didn't pass one of my tests. 1, you could really see through it, and 2, I mean this here is just going to break down and biodegrade. In a couple years this is going to be garbage. So we're going to do some tests on it. We'll get some strength tests done as well as flow tests. I really don't even care how it performs at this point because I know it's garbage. So another one that we got here for you. Let's see. Yeah, I was trying to rat out the sources, but you know what? I really don't need people's lawyer calling me because that's usually what happens when I expose these bums. All right, so this is another one, different size. But it's another one real popular on Amazon. So, okay, so this is garbage, people. I mean, it might be a little stronger than the last one I showed you, but I mean, we'll do some tests with it and we'll show you the test results. Again, I don't even care at this point. It's flow rate. I already know this fabric's not going to meet to our high standards here at French Drain Man. Now, here's our fabric. It's not see-through like a screen door. And I'll tell you what. You can't rip it, all right? You need a box knife to cut it. So we'll do some tests. We'll get back to you. We'll let you know how this all turned out. But beware of the fabrics on Amazon and sold on the internet, because you know we had high hopes. We really did. We thought we could actually do something pretty cool as far as tests and stuff, but I'm kind of disappointed right out of the chute here. So to be continued.